Thutha wa mbitika gukorwo cihingitwo gwa kahinda ka mieri 7, Imwana cia mubira wa gonya Shujaa ni macokereirie mehariria ona gutuika kuringana na kocha ti undu ukoretwo uri muhuthu.
Quite difficult time to coach a team and also as a player to be, because some of the people earn their livings from the sport, but slowly things are going back to normal. We started our training, controlled training, more of conditioning and fitness testing of the players, and hopefully we can build up from that with more work as time goes.
Mwaka ukite Shujaa mari na kibaro gia gwika wega mithunguko-ini ya mbitika cia HSBC rita riri magitongorio ringi ni Innocence Miu kana Namcos uria wirega gucokio ta kocha na une thutha wa Paul Fine goikio ja.
Quite happy with how the boys are, but they really started from far. I think most of the boys were not doing anything, and you could understand because of the situation we were in. But we hope to just continue improving slowly by slowly, and hopefully by the time we get to April, we'll be at a place where we could say the boys at a top form or at a place where they can compete.
Generally speaking, for the players, it has been hard for us, and most of our bodies had gone back to default settings. So by now we're starting to catch up, and maybe catch up for the time that we had lost.
Kabino ya Simiyu ninge iri na athaki ethi na aria megukorwo makiheo mweke wa gwikira hinya timu ino ya bururi kuona kimera kihituku Kenya matiekire wega.
We are trying to incorporate the young and the new, the young players and the old players at least can, so that we can merge a strong team coming to the Olympics.
Very impressive in the training ground. They've really worked hard, finished the block with very good numbers. It's interesting that for the young guys, a good number of them were working out, which of course is a plus and has helped them to hit the targets for the first block very easily. So we hope they can continue with the same intensity or work ethic going forward.
Mothe kenda mwihoko munene wa nyabara Namcos ni ati homa ya corona ndigukorwo iri kihingica kuona athaki aingi ni mahutite ni undu wa kurugama kwa mbitika guothe thi yothe.
With the new discovery of the vaccine, at least things might change a bit more, and perhaps a plan in terms of the rollout of the vaccine should include sports people, so that we can at least get back and guys can start earning their living. So we're very upbeat, and we are hoping to set off with our first tournament in early Feb. In Spain, in our World Rugby Invitational Tournament, and we'll use it to gauge the players who are able to play where they are.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Kuri wa Gicimu.